Hi students, this is Nagendra Babu. First of all, I am very much thankful to all those viewers who subscribed my channel and shared my videos to your friends. Today, I am going to introduce the introduction part of circles and its properties. But so many students requested me to teach the classes in Telugu language also. That's why I will try to explain in both English and Telugu languages. So students, here first of all, let us see the definition of a circle. See here, this is a point. From this point at a fixed distance. Here I will take another point at a distance of 3 centimeters from this point. This is, take this as fixed point. From this fixed point, this is at a distance of 3 centimeters. From this fixed point, we can plot many more points at a same distance. That means this point is plotted at a 3 centimeters distance. At the same distance from this fixed point, we can plot many more points. ఈ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఇది ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్గా తీసుకుంటే ఈ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఫిక్స్డ్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ఇక్కడ ఒక 3 సెంటీమీటర్స్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ తీసుకున్నాం ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్. ఇదే ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఇంకా చాలా పాయింట్స్ మనం సేమ్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ప్లాట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దట్ మీన్స్ సేమ్ డిస్టెన్స్లో అంటే ఇంకా 3 సెంటీమీటర్స్ డిస్టెన్స్లోనే. ఫ్రమ్ this fixed point we can plot many more points at the same distance, that means at 3 centimeters distance. So like this we can plot many more points like this. From this fixed point, all these points are at a distance of 3 centimeters. So in the gaps between all these points, ఇంకా ఈ మధ్యలో ఉన్న గ్యాప్స్లో కూడా మనం ఇంకా చాలా పాయింట్స్ ప్లాట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇన్ ఆల్ దీస్ గ్యాప్స్ వీ కెన్ ప్లాట్ మెనీ మోర్ పాయింట్స్ విచ్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఏ కంటిన్యూస్ ప్యాటర్న్ like this, which you feel as a curved line like this. If you go on plot all these points continuously without gaps, you will get a curved line like this. పాయింట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఒకదాని పక్కన కంటిన్యూస్గా గ్యాప్స్ లేకుండా ప్లాట్ చేస్తే అవన్నీ కూడా మనకి కనిపించడానికి ఎలా ఉంటాయి అంటే ఒక కర్వ్డ్ లైన్ లాగా, ఒక వక్ర రేఖలాగా కనిపిస్తాయి. సో దిస్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఏ కర్వ్డ్ లైన్. దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ కర్వ్డ్ లైన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఏ సర్కిల్. ఈ లైన్ని, ఈ కర్వ్డ్ లైన్ మనం సర్కిల్ అని చెప్పి పిలుస్తాం. దిస్ కర్వ్డ్ లైన్ ఈజ్ లుక్ లైక్ ఏ సర్కిల్. దట్ మీన్స్ ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఈజ్ a set of infinite number of points. There are infinite number of points on this line, on this curved line. So this is a continuous points pattern of continuous points which are plotted continuously. It looks like a curved line. So this is a set of infinite number of points which are at a fixed distance from this fixed point. This is taken as fixed point. Let it be denoted as O. This fixed point is denoted as O. From this point, all these points are plotted at a fixed distance. That means here I took 3 centimeters distance. So all these points are at a distance of 3 centimeters from this point. This is the fixed point. So these points are plotted at a fixed distance from this fixed point. So this pattern is called as circle. That means the definition of circle is a set of infinite number of points which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point is called a circle. ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఫిక్స్డ్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ప్లాట్ చేసిన పాయింట్స్ అన్నిటి యొక్క సెట్ని కలిపి ఒక సర్కిల్గా పిలుస్తాము. కాబట్టి ఈ సర్కిల్ కూడా ఇన్ఫైనైట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్స్, అంటే అనంతమైన బిందువులతో ఏర్పడినటువంటి ఈ యొక్క ప్యాటర్న్ని మనం సర్కిల్ అని చెప్పి పిలుస్తాం. సో This is a set of infinite number of points which are at a fixed distance from this fixed point. So here the fixed point is this. It is denoted by O. This fixed point is called as center of the circle. Fixed point is called as center of the circle. Here O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. ఈ పాయింట్ ని O అనే పాయింట్ ని సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ అని చెప్పి పిలుస్తాం. Look at all these points. All these points are at a fixed distance from this point. That fixed distance from the center is called as radius of the circle. Radius. It is denoted by R. Radius means that fixed distance from the center, that fixed point. From this fixed point to every point on this circle, the distance is constant. Fixed distance, that fixed distance or constant distance is taken as radius. It is called as radius. So, if you join any point on the circle from the center నుంచి ఏదైనా ఒక పాయింట్కి మనం లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ జాయిన్ చేస్తే, this is the line segment formed by joining the center of the circle to the point on the circle. This is the line segment formed by joining the center of the circle to any point of the circle. So, this line segment is called as radius. It is denoted by R. So, this is the radius of the circle. So, like that, how many radii we can draw? Radius means singular, R-A-D-I-I. Radii is plural. Radii, plural. So, we can draw infinite number of radii to a circle. That means, if we join to every point from the center of the circle, all these line segments are called as radii of the circle. So, we can draw infinite number of radii to a circle. All these are radii, and we can draw so many radii. Radius means singular, radii means plural. Radius is denoted by R. Therefore, the definition for radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. From the center of the circle to any point of the circle is called as radius of the circle. So, we can draw infinite number of radii to a circle. Next, let us take another circle like this. So, this is the pattern of infinite number of points. All these are points on the circle. So, if we join any 2 points on the circle, any 2 points on the circle. So, I drawn this line segment from this point to this point. ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ని ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ని తీసుకొని ఆ రెండు పాయింట్స్ని జాయిన్ చేస్తే ఒక లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఫామ్ అయింది. This is the line segment formed by joining these 2 points. The line segment so formed by joining any 2 points on the circle is called as chord of the circle. C-H-O-R-D, chord. So, this is the chord of the circle. Therefore, the chord of a circle is nothing but the line segment formed by joining any 2 points on the circle. సర్కిల్ మీద ఏ 2 పాయింట్స్నైనా జాయిన్ చేస్తే ఫామ్ అయిన లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్నే మనం కార్డ్ అని చెప్పి పిలుస్తాం. Like this, infinite number of chords we can draw. If we join any 2 points on the circle, suppose a point from here to here, this is also a chord. The line segment formed by joining these 2 points is a chord. These 2 points is a chord. Like this, we can draw infinite number of chords to a circle in any direction. If you join any 2 points on the circle, that line segment is called as chord of the circle. So, we can draw infinite number of chords to a circle. If you observe carefully all these chords, some chords passes through center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. Already I told you that the line segment formed by joining any 2 points on the circle. So, if you join this point to this point, let us take this point as A and this point as B. If you join these 2 points, the line segment passes through the center of the circle O. This is the line segment. AB is the line segment formed by joining these 2 points on the circle A and B. But this chord passes through center of the circle. This is a chord, but this passes through center of the circle. The chord that passes through the center of the circle is called as diameter. So we call that as diameter. Diameter is denoted by D. So AB is the line segment formed by joining point A to point B. This passes through the center of the circle. This is also a chord because this is the line segment formed by joining 2 points on the circle. That is the definition of chord. A chord is the line segment formed by joining any 2 points on the circle. So this is also a chord. This is formed by joining point A to point B, but this passes through the center of the circle. So the chord that passes through the center of the circle is called as diameter. Like that, so many diameters we can draw to a circle. This is also a chord that passes through the center of the circle. This is another chord that passes through the center of the circle. So this is another diameter that passes through the circle, that passes through the center of the circle. And this is another chord that passes through the center of the circle. So all these line segments passes through the center of the circle. So these line segments are called as diameters. Still, so many diameters we can draw to a circle. That means infinite number of diameters we can draw to a circle. Infinite number of radii are drawn to a circle. Infinite number of chords we can draw to a circle. Infinite number of diameters we can draw to a circle. So diameter is also a chord, but it is named due to it passes through the center of the circle. The chord that passes through the center of the circle is called as diameter. So we can draw infinite number of diameters to a circle. Of all the chords, here I drawn so many chords. So among these chords, some chords passes through the center of the circle. Of all the chords, diameter is the longest chord. Of all the chords, diameter is the longest chord. And suppose if you take this circle, this is the center of the circle O, and from O to a point A, I drawn this line segment. Already I told you that the line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called as radius. So this is radius. And then from this point O, if we draw in the opposite direction another line segment to the point B. So from O to point B is also a radius. But AB is the line segment that passes through center of the circle from point A to B. So this line segment includes two radios which forms a chord that passes through the center of the circle, which we called as diameter. That means here diameter is formed by adding two radii. So this radius plus this radius gives the full length that passes through the center of the circle, which is called as diameter. That means diameter is equal to r plus r. If we add two radii, we will get diameter. So diameter is equal to 2r. By adding two radii, we will get diameter, or radius is equal to half of diameter. Diameter equal to 2r. By adding two radii, we will get diameter, or radius is equal to diameter by 2. That means half of diameter. So by adding two radii, we will get diameter. Okay, students, this is the basics related to the concept circles. In the next video, I will give the depth concept about about the properties of circle. So students, if you like this video, share it to all your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you all very much.